What's up, family? Today we're gonna smoke a whole chicken. We got our chicken out. We kind of rinsed them off, and then I used some baking soda. Went across them just to wash off any old taste or something like that, old blood. We washed them off. Now we're gonna stuff them. We're gonna put an onion in there. We're gonna chop it up, put a little onion, and we'll put some fresh garlic off in there. Then we're gonna season them up with our 4 favorite seasonings. Check the blog for that. The 4 seasonings, you'll never use any other besides these, so we're gonna season them up with that. And then we're gonna put them out on our smoker, and then we're gonna smoke them. So let's get them fixed up right quick. So we started our fire. We used a chimney because we don't want to have that lighter fluid taste on our meat. We just kind of want a natural charcoal flavor. So we're going to take our coal and put it over in our Barrell smoker, the ashtray, and then we're going to cover it up so that it smokes slow. So you see we got them in our Barrell smoker. Kind of spread them around evenly. Make sure everything's good with that. And then we're going to cover it up right quick. We're going to spread out the coals a little bit, make it even. Let's use a regular spade for that. Bought that for the Dollar Tree for $1. Spread it out. So we see that nice and spread. And we're going to put a couple pieces of wood on there. You don't have to put a whole lot of wood on there. I put one nice piece of mesquite on there. That piece of mesquite right there do it pretty good. Oh. Put it on there. I got some apple wood too. Let me put a piece of apple wood on there. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, apple wood. Put the apple wood on there. And a little couple of pieces of hickory chunks. And we're just gonna spread them on there. We see. Now we're gonna cover it up. And that baby ready to smoke. So we got our Barrell smoker, covered it up. You see how that wood, nice and catching. We about to cover it up with the top. Then we'll come back out and put our chicken in there. So we seasoned up the chicken with our 4 favorite seasonings. Now we're going to open her up and put our onion in there. So we just kind of break the onion down a little bit. Put it in there, stuff it. That's just gonna add flavor. Go this way. Add onion in there. Yep. And then let me grab a couple of garlic cloves. Garlic clove. And we're gonna put it in there. All right, fam. So we about to put our chicken in there. We seasoned them up already, and we're gonna drop them in there. We hung it on 2 sides, 2 rungs. So we're just gonna let that baby smoke now. I'm gonna cover it up and then let her ride. All right. What's up, fam? We're just checking the temperature. As you can see, it's about 225. That's good. It smells nice smoke. Taste on that chicken. The Barrell House vertical cooker. I did a review on it on the blog. Go check it out. www.thegrillingoasis.com. I put a link at the bottom in the website on this video so that you can go check out the blog and see what we said about the Barrell House vertical cooker. Really nice cooker. Does a good job in my opinion. So it's maintaining this temperature real steady. We're gonna leave it out here about 3 hours, and then we'll come check the temperature on it. All right, fam. So it's been about about 3 hours now, and we see the temperature a little less than 200. So if we need to raise it up a little bit, we'll do that. It got a little notch at the bottom, we can do it. So we just gonna measure the temperature. That's what we got here. Let's see if y'all can get a good look at it. There we go. There we go. I see the ash is still rolling real good down off in there. So we're just gonna measure the chicken around the breast area. Let's find that breast area. All right, that'll be up on this side. We want it to be about 165, 170. And so right now we at 131. All right, that's one side of the breast. Let's do the other side. See where we at. And that is 129. So what we're gonna do is we are going to open it up a little bit and let it, might stall out a little bit, probably stall. We're gonna open up a little bit, let that fire grow. We're gonna close up and let it finish cooking. All right, fam, so I see you when the fire rolling good, and I will close it back up. So what I ended up doing was I put some new little hickory chips on there to get the fire back going again. So I just left the chicken right here. You see it right there. And we're gonna let that fire get rolling. Probably about next couple minutes. We're gonna let it get rolling again. Then we're gonna stick it on there and let it finish cooking. We don't want it to stall out now. So I want a good fire going before it happens. All right. So once we redid the fire, we open up the bottom a little bit, a little more air. Now we got it to where we're gonna get a little bit more higher temperature. It's right around 275. So we're gonna let it cook like that for about 30 minutes. Then we're gonna take the temperature. She should be ready to get off at that point. So we'll see you guys back in about 30 minutes. All right, fam. We got her in there. We put the thermometer in there to see what she's registering. At 163. Yeah, that's good. We're good right there. We're gonna let her take on off, let it rest. It cook a little bit more while it's resting, but it's ready. Smoked chicken. See y'all next time on the Grilling Oasis.